Why choose Canada? You will find a high standard of living in Canada. Canada ranks in third place globally for the best quality of life. Canada is known for offering high quality education and research opportunities. Also have the flexibility to transfer between types and levels of education without running into roadblocks common in other parts of the world. Many programs also offer work placements or internships to get hands-on experience while you study. Most international students are eligible to work during their studies and can apply for a post-graduation work permit after their studies. Tuition fees are generally lower than colleges and universities in Australia, the UK and the US. Start your application process for January, May or September 2025 intakes with Edlocate. Courses related to bachelor's, master's and pathway options are available. Call our Edlocate officers in Colombo, Kandy, Kurunegala and Jaffna and contact our experienced counsellors for further details.